So it's morning time, and as we normally do, we're out feeding the birdies. Over here we have, well, there's Titan. Oh, and Keshet's downstairs. Hello, Keshet. That's Keshet. She'll be off having babies shortly. Titan, who's up there, the bluey, he's been making goo-goo eyes at her, and the accompanying sounds that come with it. We haven't seen the helicopter in action yet, but I'm sure that will come the next day or two. Wife is nodding her head, saying, how can you talk like that about our birds? So that's Keshet, Princess Parrot, and that's Titan. And down here we have Mr Kingy. He saw us getting the food ready. Yes, there's the food. And over here are our ringnecks. Yep, Stardust is hanging down. And Ziggy in the back. Ziggy looks worse for wear and has been for the last couple of years. But he's bright within himself, he's happy, he eats, he talks, carries on, he's a character. And up there is Stardust. Okay, and over here we'll go back to Mr Kingy. He came down. Oops. There's a beautiful bird, this one. Comes up to us and tells us when he's arrived. A very timid bird. Took a few years, quite a few years before he would actually eat off our hands, which we don't promote too much for obvious reasons. And since we're doing a video, we'll go across and say hello to Fred. Morning, Fred. Here she comes. Come on, Fred. Yes, she sees a camera and she's always very keen to get involved. Hello, Fred. Yes. Yeah, look at her. She's Evelyn. Look at Fred.
I can see her performing.
Yes, he is performing. She loves her camera.
We'll show her. Used to the camera.
Trying to video her. Okay, Fred. I'll come and play with you in a minute. So she'll go upstairs. Up you go, good girl, and that's her bark. Try and give her a piece of bark that's come down from our palm trees. Try and give her a new piece every week. She really gets stuck into that. Over here's Gilston. Hello, Gilly. Yeah, so that's the full tour. There's lorikeets up in the trees, corellas around. There's Stardust climbing. And there's a couple of young king parrots flying around. Don't know, I can't see any at the moment. But they would be Mr Kingy's offspring. Okay, so we'll go and make brekkie for the rest of the birdies.